Flower farming and perfume making converge in a harmonious symphony of nature's beauty and the artistry of fragrance creation. This guide not only explores the key steps but also sheds light on the profitability and sustainable practices that can elevate your venture. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Research and planning. Cultivating the seeds of success. Embark on your floral odyssey by identifying flowers suited to your region and market demand. Delve into the nuances of cultivation techniques and optimal conditions. Navigate the perfume market landscape, understanding current trends and consumer preferences to carve your niche. Selecting a suitable location. Nurturing nature's canvas. Choosing the right location is pivotal. Select a site with the ideal soil, climate, and sunlight for your blossoms. Consider proximity to markets and suppliers, ensuring a seamless flow for both flowers and perfume-making ingredients. Acquiring land and resources. Planting the seeds of growth. Secure your foundation by acquiring land that complies with zoning and environmental regulations. Invest wisely in quality soil, irrigation systems, and, if necessary, greenhouse facilities. Cultivation and harvesting. Growing nature's palette. Follow best practices for planting, nurturing, and harvesting your chosen blooms. Embrace sustainability and organic farming practices, adding a premium touch to your products and resonating with environmentally conscious consumers. Best flower varieties. The choice of flower varieties is the essence of your business. Opt for sought-after blooms like roses, lavender, and jasmine, known for their captivating scents. Cultivate unique and exotic varieties, setting your products apart in the world of perfumery. Perfume formulation. The alchemy of fragrance. Dive into the art and science of perfume making. Understand fragrance notes, source quality essential oils, aroma chemicals, and base materials, creating perfumes that resonate with sophistication and allure. Establishing a brand and marketing. Cultivating recognition. Develop a brand identity that mirrors the essence of your flowers and perfumes. Harness the power of online platforms, social media, and local markets to cultivate a presence. Craft a marketing strategy that blooms alongside your business. Compliance and certification. Navigating regulatory gardens. Ensure compliance with regulations governing flower farming and perfume production. Obtain certifications for organic, sustainable, or cruelty-free practices, building trust with discerning consumers. Is it a profitable business? The flower farming and perfume making business holds significant profitability potential. Factors such as growing demand, premium pricing for high-quality products, diversification, brand recognition, and sustainability contribute to a flourishing enterprise. Conclusion. Embarking on a flower farming and perfume making business is a journey that intertwines the delicate art of cultivating flowers with the science of crafting enchanting fragrances. By aligning with consumer preferences, incorporating sustainable practices, and fostering a distinctive brand identity, entrepreneurs can not only tap into a lucrative market but also contribute to the growing movement towards natural and artisanal products. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.